Hello all. Today we will be discussing about the topic Ignorantia Juris non Excusat. It means ignorance is not an excuse.
Essentially, it means that if someone breaks the law, he or she is still liable even if they had no knowledge of the law being broken. Ignorance of the law is no excuse in any country. If it were, the laws would lose their effect, because it can always be pretended. Let's look at a case study. The 1833 case of Barlow v. United States involved the seizure of 85 barrels of sugar, which Joseph Barlow was attempting to export under the false denomination of refined sugar. Barlow contended that the sugar was not entered by false denomination and he did not intend to defraud the revenue. The court did not believe that Barlow had no knowledge that the sugar he was attempting to export was unrefined and said the case presented a broader question of whether a mistake of law will excuse a forfeiture in cases of this description. Let's look at an exception to this law. In the 1957 case of Lambert v. California, the court ruled that the defendant's, Lambert, failure to register as a felon after moving to Los Angeles was a wholly passive act. Lambert, who had been previously convicted of forgery, was unaware of an ordinance requiring that she register as a felon if in the city of Los Angeles for more than 5 days. Because she was not allowed to use ignorance of the law as a defense, she was convicted, fined $250 and sentenced to 3 years probation. Lambert could have faced as much as 6 months in jail for every day in the city after exceeding the 5-day limit. The court reversed the conviction. Justice William Douglas wrote in the court's majority opinion, where a person did not know of the duty to register and where there was no proof of the probability of such knowledge, he may not be convicted consistent with due process.